All right. Hope you guys are doing good. Liam King here with Signal Dynasty. I'm just going to do a quick review on the yellow arrows, the long-term trend arrows. Uh, Pretty much what we're trying to do is line up the Heiken Ashi color change. Let me remove this one. Yeah, pretty much you're trying to line up the Heiken Ashi color change along with the yellow arrows. This is it is on the M15 right now. I've been trading off of the M5, I'd say for about the past 2 days now using it. And then Josh has also been using the M15. And it seems the M15 you catch, I would say, bigger reversals, but the M5 you actually catch more. So it's a little bit tricky, but both work pretty well, I'll say that. This is the M15 chart though, and this is pretty much what we're looking for. Yellow arrow combined with the Heiken Ashi color change, and then from there you pretty much just write it down, going with the Heiken Ashi, the color change, whether it's up or down. This is just one example, but you can see depending on where you got in, that's where the Heiken Ashi closed. But depending on where you got in, you could have maybe closed it out for about looks like about 60, 69. Yeah, about 700 micro pips, about 70 pips. That's probably where I would have closed it out, honestly. But you could have actually continued to write it down. And this is just one example. We'll be sure to go through other currencies and double check and look out for that. See if we get pretty much another move like this. But it actually blew past the other support level or resistance level and continued to sell off. And that's that's over, I think, right at like 250 pips off of that move. And that's just one of the examples. You can see though the Heiken Ashi, they do work pretty well. In terms of repainting, I'd have to watch them a little bit further, just to pretty much see if they do indeed repaint in a way. Looks like we do have. Yeah, Josh is saying they do not. And you can see right there, you would have most likely bought in around here. And I mean, if you would have wrote it up, let's say even till about there-ish, I mean, that'd be about almost 40 pips in this area, or 400 micro pips just in this area, and that's from the color change and the yellow arrow. And you probably be in there for about maybe about 2 hours at the most, maybe a little bit longer. But I mean, you can see it worked out pretty good. Let me go ahead and close that. And but even right there, that could have scraped you up a nice amount of pips. Most likely would have been around like 10 pips, 12 pips, or 126 micros, around that area. Yeah, you can kind of see it though, the color change with the yellow arrow. Very, very profitable trades. Uh, this one, oh, the thing about this one though is it wasn't quite on it. It was a candle before the color change. Had you have gotten in on either of those candles though, uh, yeah, we're talking over 100 pips. Put it that way, over 100 pips. But yeah, if you guys do have any further questions, you can go to our Facebook page, Signal Dynasty, or you can go to signaldynasty.com. That way you can reach us through there. But for now, guys, we're gonna wrap up the session. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned a little thing or two. All right, guys.